FDA has released new nutrition facts on labels, and we have a side-by-side comparison showing the original label and the new one. Let's go ahead and go to that, and let's look at these. Okay, they look pretty much the same. What I'm seeing here is calories is much more prominent.
Yes.
On the new one that they're getting to. I'm seeing a little, it looks like a little smaller print at the bottom, maybe to keep people from reading certain things. What are we looking at professionally? You
Exactly.
tell us.
So you notice the main difference that most consumers are realizing, which is the calories is a lot larger, and you can but the old label that we've had for a long time, and now the new label, it's basically the same information, just a different design with some emphasis on some areas. So you mentioned the calories, but before that, I want to jump at the top of it where it says serving size. So that's one of the main differences that I'll be jumping into. And then another line is the added sugars line, and then the nutrients on the bottom.
Why is that serving size so important? That it's, or why do you think that it's changed in label size?
So although you may want to jump to calories, we have to look at the serving size first, because the rest of the label is based off of that serving size that's indicated on the package. So it's been a little difficult to realize what exactly a serving is when it says 8 ounces or when it says a half cup. So now it should be a little more consumer friendly, where the serving size will reflect what a consumer typically consumes. So in the case of bottled juices, which I have my own opinion about that on the side, but it should now be less deceiving when you picked up a bottle of juice and you don't have to do all these calculations. It's just going to say serving size 1 bottle, and the nutrition fact will follow. Now, for some companies that are not doing that, there's another option of what we see on the screen, which is a dual column format. So basically, we see 2 servings per container in this example. And if you had the whole container, you're going to be looking at the column all the way on the right, versus if you only had half the container or 1 serving, which was 1 cup, you can follow the per cup. So basically, the consumer doesn't have to be doing all this math and multiplying by 2 or such. It's already on the new nutrition facts label.